This video highlights the sophisticated and professional process of yacht loading and unloading at the Genoa port in Italy, one of Europe's most bustling and important ports. Cross-chartering yacht transport, with years of experience in yacht transportation and handling, expertly demonstrates the meticulous attention to detail in each operation to ensure safe, fast, and efficient deliveries. The process of loading and unloading yachts is no easy task. Yachts are typically large and heavy, requiring careful and precise handling. The use of modern equipment such as heavy-duty cranes, large freighters, and specialized tools minimizes the risk of damage during transportation. All of these devices are operated by a team of highly skilled technicians, trained to handle any situation that may arise during the loading and unloading process. What stands out is that each yacht is not just a recreational vehicle, but a valuable asset for the client. Therefore, ensuring absolute safety during transportation is a key element in the service provided by cross-chartering. The company emphasizes not only the completion of the job, but also a commitment to safeguarding the client's property, providing peace of mind and trust. Moreover, Genoa Port plays a crucial role not only in transportation, but also strategically in the yacht industry. With modern infrastructure in a convenient location in the heart of the Mediterranean region, Genoa is one of the major hubs for international yacht transportation. Large yacht shipments from ports worldwide must pass through here, where they are met with professional handling services and a dedicated support team. Cross-chartering services extend beyond transportation. They also assist clients with customs procedures, shipping permits, and legal regulations, saving customers time and effort in the yacht transfer process. This video tells the unique story of the Claw, originally a massive stage structure from U2's U2 360 tour, which has been repurposed into an educational feature at the Loveland Living Planet Aquarium. Once a symbol of the music industry, the Claw now carries a new mission: to raise awareness about environmental protection and educate the public on the health of our planet. What makes the Claw stand out is its blend of art, music, and education. It serves as a bridge between music history and environmental consciousness, creating an engaging learning space for all ages. By encouraging the community to participate in planet-saving initiatives, the Claw has become a symbol that connects people with nature and sustainable values. This transformation demonstrates that art can go beyond entertainment and make a meaningful societal impact. The Claw not only represents the repurposing of a cultural icon, but also embodies the values of recycling and sustainable creativity, offering a powerful message about how we can use existing resources to create long-lasting positive change for the planet. The next video explores the structure and design of Jerplan's Tilt-Up MT3 system, a groundbreaking innovation in construction that showcases creativity and efficiency in building large-scale projects. The standout feature of this method is the use of precast concrete wall panels produced directly on site rather than pouring concrete on location. The panels are cast in fixed molds, ensuring uniformity and absolute precision. Once the panels are cured to the required strength, they are lifted and erected to form the solid walls that complete the building structure. A key factor in the design of the Tilt-Up MT3 system is its ability to minimize construction time without compromising the quality of the project. Casting the panels on site significantly reduces time, as the casting and wall erection processes can occur simultaneously with other tasks, minimizing delays caused by external factors like weather. Additionally, the fast and precise wall erection process boosts overall efficiency and shortens project timelines. The wall panels are designed to be structurally sound, ensuring the building's stability and durability. These concrete panels can be customized in thickness and structure to meet the specific requirements of various projects, ranging from industrial plants and warehouses to distribution centers and commercial buildings. The MT3 system also accommodates the use of panels in different sizes, allowing for versatility in design without requiring major changes to the construction process. Additionally, with the design of the tilt-up MT3 system, the wall panels are not only robust, but also easily adjustable to meet architectural requirements, creating visually appealing, uniform walls that facilitate smooth finishing processes. The use of precise molds during the casting process ensures consistency in high-quality concrete panels, minimizing construction quality risks and reducing the need for repairs after project completion. One of the system's biggest advantages is its versatility in application across various types of construction projects. Not limited to industrial buildings, the system can also be applied to residential and commercial projects, such as office buildings, shopping centers, or large residential complexes. The high flexibility of the MT3 system allows contractors to meet different design and functional requirements, optimizing space, saving costs, and enhancing construction efficiency. Furthermore, the tilt-up MT3 design helps minimize environmental impact. The on-site casting process not only conserves materials but also reduces transportation loads, thereby lowering emissions and the negative effects of transportation. Its fast construction also reduces the time the construction site is active, minimizing disruptions and noise in the surrounding area. With its strong structure, flexible design, and quick construction capability, the tilt-up MT3 system is not only an efficient building method, but also an advanced solution for modern projects. It meets the growing demands of speed, cost, and quality in the construction industry, playing a vital role in improving construction standards, helping contractors work efficiently, and creating sustainable buildings for the future. The tilt-up MT3 method offers numerous outstanding benefits, helping contractors and investors optimize the construction process and achieve high efficiency in every project. One of its greatest advantages is time savings. By casting concrete wall panels directly on site, the construction process becomes fast and synchronized. Once the panels reach the necessary strength, they are immediately erected, speeding up the project timeline without compromising quality. The system also significantly reduces construction costs. Casting the walls on site eliminates the need to transport panels from the factory, lowering transportation and additional expenses. Furthermore, minimizing the need for direct concrete pouring on site saves labor costs and reduces risks like fixing defective panels. This not only reduces costs for contractors, but also ensures the investor's budget is used effectively. Another key benefit is consistent quality control. The tilt-up MT3 method guarantees uniform quality by casting the panels on site under strict supervision. This avoids errors from direct pouring and ensures the panel's durability, strength, and stability. Contractors can easily inspect and adjust quality during the production stage, reducing issues during construction and ensuring the highest quality standards. The system also adapts well to weather conditions. In traditional construction, weather can greatly impact the project's progress and quality, especially with concrete pouring. The tilt-up MT3 method mitigates these issues by casting the walls in protected molds, often with coverings or in controlled environments, ensuring stable progress even during unfavorable weather. The tilt-up MT3 method also contributes to sustainability. Precast concrete reduces material waste, lightens the workload at the construction site, and lowers transportation impacts on the environment. The method also saves energy and reduces emissions by shortening construction time and using fewer materials, making the projects both sustainable and environmentally friendly. Finally, tilt-up MT3 creates a safer and more efficient work environment. By reducing complex and hazardous tasks like pouring concrete or constructing brick walls, the method creates a safer environment for workers. Additionally, the use of precast panels lowers the risk of accidents during construction. In conclusion, the tilt-up MT3 method offers many superior benefits, from saving time and costs to quality control, adaptability to weather, and environmental protection. It's an innovative and efficient construction solution that suits various types of projects, helping contractors and investors meet their goals for timelines, costs, and quality.